Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to archive a Discord channel. So first open Discord and navigate to the server where the channel is located. You'll need an administrator or category management permission to proceed. Then right click on an empty area in the server channel list and click on create category. Now name the category such as archive and click on create category. You can also make it private if you like. Once a category is archived, what you need to do is drag and drop the channel you wish to archive into the new archive category. Drop it right here. And this will group the channel within the private category, preventing unauthorized members from viewing it if your category is private. So to make it private, you can go ahead, right click on it and select edit category. And here go to permission and simply toggle the option for private category. Click on Save Changes from the bottom right corner and you'll be done. So this is how you can archive a Discord channel. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.